I am the conscience of the nation. I and money do not mix. I and the truth do not collide. Inside me, the spirit of resistance never diminishes. I am a qualified graduate from the University of Wisdom. I am the thinking tank, not from the jumbled sail of wrong ideas. Who among you can understand my inner voice of reason? Who can interpret my prophetic software, pre-installed and not for sale? Advantageously, I am remote controlled by something higher than man. Therefore, I cannot be destroyed by human-made designs. I cannot betray the mission of my existence, the mission of truth-telling. My poetry is a truth. I and the truth are one. When solutions are over, hopeless regimes with shiny slogans fabricate propaganda too blatant to swallow. The people are like crocodiles in the river, and no one fights crocodiles in their element. South African government, why buy time when the river is watching? Why give chase to lizards when crocodiles have memory? Why give gimmicks to colonizers when the soul remembers every footstep? Plead monkey tricks and snake techniques if you must, let alone chameleon philosophy and the ninja escape plan. Nevertheless, I am here. I am here to spark a green revolution through home cultivation of African medicine in the sacred name of cannabis. Some call it mutekwane, some call it isango. Yes, it is a gate to remembrance, a gate to healing, a gate to consciousness.